Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kuromi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve across for the top. Then from both ends, let's curve it out, down, and back in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a V shape in the middle here. And then from both ends, let's curve it out and back down. Now let's hop inside and let's add the face. Let's start on the left and let's draw an angled line down. And the same on the right side. And then a long curve underneath for the eyes. And color both of these in black. Next, on the top corner of each eye, let's add an eyelash by curving it up. And then another one underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's draw the skull on the head. Let's start on top of the V shape and let's draw a line across. Then bring it up slightly on both ends. Now let's curve it out and back up to the top on both sides. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two lines down at the bottom. And then two angled ovals for the eyes. And that's it for the skull. Now let's move up and let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw an angle up. And then move down and another one underneath. Now let's do the same on the top right. Now from each of the lines, let's angle it up, meeting at a point. And then a circle at the end of each ear. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move underneath the head and add the collar. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw an angled line out. And the same on the right side. And now let's bring it back in underneath. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw two more angles down and out. And then bring it back up to close off each side. Now at the end of each point, let's add a small circle. And that's it for the collar. Now let's move down and draw the shape of the body. Let's start with the curve down on the left and on the right. and then a small curve down underneath each side. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw 2 curves going down like this. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. From the inside lines, let's draw another curve down. Then let's hop to the outside and draw a curve out for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's move up and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the left underneath the collar and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right side. Now let's hop up from the end and let's draw another curve underneath for the hands. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom right, let's draw a curve down and then bring it back up. And the same thing underneath. Now from the ends, let's draw a set of angled lines out. And then close off the end with 2 angles coming up to a point. And that's it for Kuromi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!